Hey everybody, welcome back to Quinn's Outdoors. Sitting out here trying to catch something decent today. Since the weather's nice, as you can hear, everyone's bringing out their cars and motorcycles and whatnots. Got a dead stick over here in front of me with a bell on it. Hopefully get something on that. They're all walleye in here. Let's see what happens though. I already caught a little bass. And there's a bite. Perch. Just a little perch. What I'm using is a little Cecil and putting a minnow on it, and he just engulfed that minnow. We'll see what happens. He's still alive, I think. Yeah. He's got a little oomph to him. Not much. But we'll see what happens. This is the same day as my last video. If you haven't seen that one yet, go check it out. It's just a couple hours later. I stopped, got off, and got a bite to eat. Decided to come back. I think the fish had kind of the same idea, but they were on their little 1 o'clock lull, or 12 o'clock lull, whatever you call it. I know if something hits that pole out there, it'll be a decent sized fish. I got it with a really big red eye flutter spoon, and I just tipped it with a large minnow. I can see the minnows moving quite a bit down there. Wind picked up for sure today. Kind of crazy. Sit here a little bit. Sun reflecting in here, sorry. 2 marks on there now. Hopefully we can get something today. Besides bluegills and perch. A little bass I caught was probably about a pound, pound and a half. Good fight though on these little rods. It's a blast. I wasn't expecting to catch anything that soon. Had the camera set up and set it down there, and like 30 seconds later my pole almost went in the water. I grabbed it and he was on. I'm in like 7 foot of water here. Crystal clear water today. The sun is shining. When I first got out here, I was in a t-shirt. And then that wind picked up and whew, it got cold fast. I mean, it's still nice out, but not t-shirt weather. Excuse me. Usually how it goes, I'll catch one big fish, then the big ones take off, and the little guys come in, they don't want the bigger bait. I might have to switch back over to the smaller bait. Let's see what happens. I'm going to just put a lavalier minnow on it really quick and see if that changes anything, because this guy is not moving anymore. Throw him to the side and use him as a minnow head later. You know what I forgot to bring back with me? Some beer. That would have been smart on my part. But, oh well. I heard somebody coming out here today. There you go. Oh yeah, he's way over there. There's like a 32-foot hole on the south side of this lake. Might be some stripers over there. Maybe we'll give her a try a little bit later. Start another video over there. Ain't got nothing going on today, so just gonna keep fishing. Got a few bluegills in the bucket over there for dinner tonight. But how nice would it be to catch a walleye? Ooh. It just gets my blood flowing thinking about it. You know? I'd love to catch a walleye. I haven't caught a walleye in years. They're out here. I'm going to give you a pause and bring you back when we catch some fish. Alright. Well, guys, it's been about, I don't know, an hour and a half since I talked to you last. Nothing's biting. I'm going to give her a go a little longer here, but I'm going to end the video at this point. Probably gonna do a night fish tonight, so maybe do another video. So keep an eye out for a couple more out here. I did record one already. A couple gills, perch, nothing fancy on that one. You know, kind of moved around a little bit. Did the same thing with this one, but you know, made it a little bit shorter. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. May or may not bring it back. So if I don't, have a good rest of your guys' day, and you know, keep going strong and keep fishing and enjoy life as we know it, right? Well, we'll see you guys later. Have a good one.